Hello friends, in the last video we have discussed about the common name system of aldehyde. Now today we are going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde, IUPAC naming of aldehyde. How aldehydes having IUPAC name? The rule is the IUPAC name of aldehyde is obtained. The first rule, the important rule is the IUPAC name of aldehyde is obtained by replacing ANA from the name of corresponding alkane by adding AL. Therefore, what we obtain? AL, KA, NaL. They are considered as the derivative of alkane. Now, from the name of alkane, AN is replaced by AL. They are considered as corresponding alkanol. For example, HCHO. The first example, we know that HCHO in common name system called as formaldehyde. But here, the presence of one carbon atom in this structure. Therefore, this is the derivative of methane. And by replacing ANE from the name of methane, by adding AL, we get METHANAL, methanol. Therefore, formaldehyde in IUPAC called as methanol. Similar example, CH3, CHO. How many carbon in the structure? 1 and 2. 2 carbon is there. Therefore, it is the derivative of ethane. And by replacing ANE from the name of ethane, by adding same AL, what is the IUPAC name? Ethanol. From replacing ANE from ethane. Why ethane? Because it contains 2 carbon. By adding AL, the name is obtained ethanol. Similarly, after then, ethanol, CH3, CH2, CHO. How many carbon in the structure? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it is the derivative of propane. So, hence, by replacing ANE from propane, we obtain PRO, PANAL, propanol. It is called as propionaldehyde in common name system. CH3, CH2, CHO called as propionaldehyde in common name, but in IUPAC, propanol. Then, after CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. 4 carbon in this structure. Therefore, it is the derivative of butane. Now, replacing ANE from the name of butane by adding AL, what we obtain? Butanol. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO called as butanol in IUPAC. Similarly, for 5 carbon also, for 5 carbon, the structure obtained CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. 5 carbon, derivative of pentane, replacing ANE from the name of pentane by adding AL, we obtain pentanol. This is about the long chain saturated aldehyde. But those aldehyde contain branching. How they are naming? For example, this is the aldehyde. This contain branching. Therefore, in this structure, we want to select first the long chain. But long chain contains CHO. We want to select the long chain of carbon in the structure, but CHO group include in the carbon chain. And this carbonyl carbon, CHO having carbonyl carbon, always number first. It means that after selection of long chain, the first rule, that is selection of long chain. Then after the numbering of the carbon chain. And this carbon chain always number from that end, which is more nearer to the CHO group. It means the CHO group is always having first number. So therefore, numbering of the structure in this way, 1, 2, 3. After all, we can write this name of structure is 2-methyl because second carbon contains CH3. CH3 called as methyl to methyl. How many carbon remaining in the chain? 3. And 3 carbon alkyl propanol. Therefore, it is called as 2-methyl propanol. Similar structure. If we take here CH3, 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 CH2, COH, CHO, COH. In this structure, this is the long chain. Because carbonyl carbon must include in the carbon chain. Numbering from always carbonyl carbon. It having always first number. So therefore numbering in this way. For writing the name of this structure, we want to write first of all where the side chains are located. Side chain is alkyl group. So therefore, this third carbon contain 1 methyl. Again third carbon contain 1 methyl. 3,3. There are 2 similar group is there. Therefore, dimethyl. 3,3 dimethyl. How many carbon remains in the chain? 4. So therefore, it is called as butanol. Because 4 carbon alkyl, we know that butanol. After this structure, these are the saturated aldehyde because it contains single bond. But for naming the unsaturated aldehyde, it means those aldehyde contain double bond in the structure. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 COH. This is the aldehyde. Why? Because it contains CHO group. You know that. But this contains double bond. So therefore, this structure is unsaturated. For naming this structure, actually this is the derivative of alkene here. Numbering from carbonyl carbon like this. For writing the name, how many carbon in the chain? 4. Therefore, write but. If 5, pent. If 6, hex. We know that. So 4 carbon but. Write the position of double bond after the parent structure. Parent structure is 2. The position of double bond is located at the third carbon. But 3. For double bond En. And the structure of aldehyde therefore An. Do not write here the position of CH group because it is always the first. Therefore, the structure called as but 3-En-An, commonly called as but 3-enol. Similar structure CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond COH. What is the name of structure? IUPAC name of the structure. By selecting this chain, numbering from this carbonyl carbon, how many carbon present in this unsaturated structure? 4. Therefore, write the name of parent structure. 4. Again but. Where the double bond is located? At the second. 2. For double bond, En. And the structure contains CH group. Therefore, at ending, En. But to enol, the name of the structure. After this, the another example is CH3, CH3, double bond CH, COH. How to write the name of the structure? Again by selecting the long chain. This carbonyl carbon having number first, this is second, third and fourth. By writing the position of alkyl group first, where the methyl is present at third carbon. So therefore 3. Methyl. How many total carbon in the long chain? 4. Therefore but. Where the double bond is located? At the second. For double bond En and for aldehyde group An. The name of structure 3-methyl-but-2-enol. Another example CH3C, CH3, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond COH. The last example from unsaturated. By selecting the chain again and numbering from this carbonyl carbon in this way. Write the position of methyl group first. Where is methyl located? 1 and 4. another at also 4. 4, 4. Two similar group, therefore dimethyl. 4, 4, dimethyl. How many carbon in the chain? 5. Therefore parent structure obtained. Where the double bond is located again? At second. And for aldehyde group, Am. 4, 4 dimethyl pent to inner. That about the saturated and unsaturated aldehyde. Now after we are going to discuss some aromatic aldehyde also. For example, this is the first structure of aromatic aldehyde in which benzene ring attached with CHO group, C double bond OH group. We know that the popular name of this structure is benzaldehyde. This is a common name of this structure. This is also IUPAC because the IUPAC name of some mono-substituted benzene derivative is accepted by the IUPAC system. Therefore, this structure having benzaldehyde is a common name and benzaldehyde is also IUPAC. But if there is another option for this structure as an IUPAC, this is the benzene, therefore it is called as benzene. And CHO group present, therefore it is called as carbonaldehyde. So complete name benzene carbonaldehyde. Benzaldehyde also called as benzene carbonaldehyde. The another example, benzene ring attached with 2 CHO group is there. Like this. This is the structure of phthalate, common name. I am writing here PHTHAL DEHYDE. Phthalate is the common name of this structure. But IUPAC name is benzene. This is the benzene ring, therefore it is called as benzene. And for numbering the structure, this is 1, this is 2. Therefore, benzene 1, 2. How many carbonate? CHO group known as, we know that CHO group known as carbonate. How many CHO group is there? 2. So therefore, benzene 1, 2 dicarbonaldehyde. Benzene 1, 2 dicarbonaldehyde. The IUPAC name of this structure. Now, another example from the aromatic structure is like this: a benzene ring attached with OH and CHO, these two functional groups. The common name of this structure is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. But IUPAC name is, the CHO group is always first. We know that for numbering of the aromatic structure, the group numbered, therefore this CHO group having first and OH group having second number. So according to this position, OH located at the second carbon of benzene. Therefore it is 2. OH group called as hydroxy. 2-hydroxy. This is the 2-hydroxy, but the remaining structure is of benzaldehyde. And benzaldehyde is also a IUPAC. Therefore, we can call that 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde having the IUPAC name 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is about the saturated structure of aromatic. There is no another double bond present in the chain. Only the functional group directly attached with benzene ring. But the structure like this: CH double bond CH COH. In this structure, benzene ring also is present and CHO group is also present. But in this type of structure, this chain, this carbon chain, is not a substituent to the benzene, but here benzene is a substituent to the chain. Therefore, we want to select the long chain first. This is the long chain. What is the rule? In this type of structure, the phenyl, this is the phenyl group, benzene ring in the form of phenyl group, is the substituent of the carbon chain. Carbon chain is not substituent to benzene. Therefore, according to this rule, numbering from this carbon, carbonyl carbon, this is 1, 2, and 3. Write the position of this group. Which is this group? This is the phenyl. Where phenyl is located? 3 phenyl. How many carbon in the chain? 3. Therefore, prop. We know that for 3. Prop. Where the double bond is present? 2. For double bond here, it means that write the position of phenyl first. 3 phenyl. Then after, name of the parent structure. How many carbon in the chain? Where the double bond is present? At second carbon. 2 En. And for CHO group, An. The name of the structure is 3 phenyl prop 2 enol. Another example is, this is the benzene ring again, attached with CH, double bond CH, single bond COH. If you want to view the IUPAC for this structure, first we want to select the long chain, because in this structure, benzene in the form of phenyl is substituted to the carbon chain. Therefore, this is the longest chain in this structure. Select the correct chain in the structure, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2. And numbering, we know that from the carbonyl carbon, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Where the group is present? This phenyl at the fourth carbon of this carbon chain. Therefore, 4 phenyl. How many carbon in the chain? 5. Therefore, pen. Where the double bond is present? At the second. For a double bond, En. And after all, at ending, Al. This is about the IUPAC nomenclature of some aliphatic aldehyde, some unsaturated aldehyde, some aromatic aldehyde. Like and subscribe our channel.